In the box, 6-foot cable. HDMI to DVI. Flexible cable adapts an HDMI input to a DVI output. Gold-plated connectors. Quality gold-plated connectors deliver optimal conductivity. Protective durability. Net jacket offers extra layer of protection. Bi-directional cable. HDMI to DVI cable makes it possible to connect HDMI-equipped devices or connect DVI-equipped devices to HDMI-enabled devices. Universally compatible. Works with all HDMI or DVI-D 24+1 equipped devices, also compatible with DVI-I 24+5 equipped devices. Top reviews from the United States. Well-constructed cables. This is my second basics adapter cable. The first one was just a VGA adapter and it fulfilled my needs so perfectly that I bought a DVI adapter to go with my new mini-PC and now enjoy much faster, smoother, and flawless video on both my monitors. The cables seem to be well made, utilizing high-quality, heavy-duty wiring with durable connections and strain relief. Please note, these cables are not suitable for Mac AirBooks, or potentially other laptops with secondary HDMI connections.